Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to share tips and tricks to help you learn English quickly. Learning a new language takes time, but with the right strategies, you can speed up the process and make faster progress. Let's go over some practical tips to help you learn English more efficiently. Let's get started. Tip 1. Practice every day. The best way to improve your English quickly is to practice a little bit every day. Here's how you can do that. Spend 10 to 15 minutes each day practicing speaking or listening. Use apps, watch videos, or read short articles in English. Consistency is key. Daily practice helps you build your skills step by step. Tip 2. Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible, even outside of study time. Here are some ways to do that. Watch TV shows or YouTube videos in English. Listen to English music or podcasts while doing everyday tasks. Change the language on your phone to English. The more exposure you get to the language, the quicker you'll pick it up. Tip 3. Focus on speaking. Speaking is one of the fastest ways to improve your language skills. Don't be afraid to practice out loud. Here are some ideas. Find a language partner or join an English-speaking group. Talk to yourself in English when doing simple tasks like cooking or driving. Record yourself speaking to track your progress. Speaking regularly helps you gain confidence and fluency. Tip 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing individual words, focus on learning phrases and expressions you can use in real conversations. Learn phrases like, "How are you?" or "What's your name?" Practice using short sentences that are common in daily life. Learning phrases helps you speak more naturally and understand conversations faster. Tip 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is part of the learning process. The more you practice, the better you'll get, so don't be afraid to try. Speak even if you make errors. It's how you learn. Ask for feedback from friends or teachers to help improve. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity to improve. Tip 6. Set specific goals. Having clear, specific goals will help you stay motivated and track your progress. Here's how to set them. Set a goal to learn 10 new words each week. Practice speaking for 5 minutes every day. Try to have a full conversation in English by the end of the month. These small, achievable goals will keep you moving forward quickly. Quick review. How to learn English quickly. Practice every day. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily on English. Immerse yourself in English. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, and read in English. Focus on speaking. Practice speaking with others or on your own. Learn phrases, not just words. Use common expressions for real conversations. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn faster. Set specific goals. Create small, achievable goals to stay motivated. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be able to learn English more quickly and effectively. Stay consistent, speak often, and have fun with the process. You'll be amazed at how fast you improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy learning!